everyone and welcome. This video is all about how I preserve my hair throughout the weeks before washing. So this is basically my midweek routine. This is over a course of 2 weeks. Make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already. Thumbs this video up so I can know you want to see more videos from me. Before you go any further, I want to let you know that I did leave some videos in the cards. They're previous videos to this quick series. I think they would be very beneficial for you. This is first day hair with this twist out. It's very fluffed out and I definitely love how big it is. So to preserve it, I'm just going to do my modified pineapple. I've showed this before. I have a dedicated video on how I do that. Click the link in the cards. Sometimes I do the banding method, or I'll do this, or I'll just add a bonnet. It just depends on how I feel. I left that scarf on my hair for 2 days and now I am fluffing and picking and stretching and my hair is still moisturized. My hair still feels soft. I'm just going to fluff and tweak it until the style I want for that day. Now this is day 4. At night, on day 3, I did the same thing. I just added my scarf and did my modified pineapple. At this point, my hair is dry, so I am going to moisturize and style it. If you want to see how I did my hair and styled it, click the link in the cards because I do have the video already up on my channel. And I fluffed it and styled it how I wanted that day. My hair is still movable, it's still soft. And that is very important for me because I do not want my hair to feel super dry or dehydrated. I want my curls to be moisturized because that's going to allow me to retain length. So this is day 9. Yes, I know it's a big leap. This is 4 days later. As you can see, my hair is still in that same position that I had previously. I just took that headband off and then put the scarf over top. And I just kept my scarf on for 4 days. I'm able to preserve the moisture in my hair longer than most because I stay home. So I do not manipulate my hair throughout the week. I just keep it wrapped up. So on day 9 that night, I did style my hair because my hair feels dry and I want to add more moisture so I can retain my length. I don't get any breakage or split ends. So I did do my go-to style. Click the link in the cards or check down below in the description box because I'm going to have all the videos. So it's the next day, day 10. And as you can see, my hair is big and full and voluminous. I just love to do my hair on old hair in chunky twists. That's my favorite. So later on at night, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And I like to continue to use Curls Dynasty products. So I personally like to use the same line of products throughout the week because that ensures I don't get flaking or extra buildup. And I did add a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil to my edges and did a light scalp massage. That night, I did my modified pineapple again. Day 12 and 13, I stayed in, but on day 14, I did go out for a quick errand, and this is how my hair looked. But at this point, my hair is super dry, like beyond dry. And you can always tell when your hair is dry, definitely by just touching it. But also, my hair starts to clump together and try to be one dread or one curl. So I definitely know it's time for a wash and a good detangling session. So at night, I did detangle my hair before washing it. So I am going to use detangling tools or comb. During this whole video, I did not use any detangling tools or combs. I do not, I repeat, I do not use detangling combs or brushes throughout the week. I just use my fingers. If I need to detangle some, I will do a light finger detangle, but mostly I do not do that. I will just add product and then twist it up, braid it up, bantu it up, whatever I did for that week. So since this day I am using detangling combs or brushes, I am setting it for a different style per se. I actually need my hair to be semi-stretched out because I did do a length check. Hallelujah. You have won it all for me. I know I did not show you guys every single day, but let me know if you want to see me do it every day for 1 week. I could possibly have the strength to get up every single day and record, but let me know if you want to see that because I can definitely do that for you guys. But some key points I want to point out again is that I do not use combs or brushes throughout the week. And what I think is also important is that I do not use different products throughout the week from different product lines. I use the same product line throughout the week. This ensures that I don't get unwanted flaking or a lot of buildup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely keep it simple, guys, and you will get that growth you want. I'm telling you, that's all it takes. Make sure you are subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.